Hello there, I'm Natalie, and this is Sacred Seeds JA. If you're new here, welcome. My old subscribers, you're much appreciated. So, guys, I'm going to show you my Otaheite Apple tree. I just ate an apple and I just put it in the ground and left it. No nurturing, nothing at all. Yeah, all it got was sun and rain. And it came up like this. But now that I've started this journey of, taking care of whatever plants I have around me, I have realized that this Otaheite apple tree, even though it's growing, the leaves are being eaten, as you can see, by whatever bug, whatever pest. The leaves are being eaten. As you can see, though, new leaves are growing all over. Yeah, that is good. But I don't want whatever is eating the leaves on this tree to attack the new ones. It would be so sad. So I need to do something quickly. I have checked the back of the leaves and it doesn't seem like it's being attacked by any bugs. Like see, the back is okay. So I'm suspecting that caterpillars are eating the leaves. So they're climbing up the trunk of the tree and eating the leaves. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take away the grass from here and the little shrubs, because I think the caterpillars, they're somewhere inside there. I'm going to clean this area and add some wood ash to see if any positive changes will occur, because it seems at night they come out from the earth and from the soil and they climb up the trunk and they get to the leaves and have a feast. So this is how tall the tree is. That's where it stops. So let's take care of this Otaheite apple. I am clearing the base of this tree, removing the weeds and adding new life to the soil and giving the roots a room to breathe. And it reminds me that we as individuals, we have roots too. Our roots are our habits, our thoughts even, the things we surround ourselves with every day. If those roots are crowded or neglected, the whole tree feels it. But when we clear space, when we add good things back in, growth slowly returns. This tree is only 2 years old. It is still young, still learning how to grow. And maybe that is true for many of us as well. Growth takes time and care takes patience. But when we keep tending the roots, life has a quiet way of healing itself. Mulch protects the soil. I have learned that. It keeps moisture inside. It feeds the ground slowly over time. And sometimes we need mulch in our own lives too. And that mulch is like moments of rest and quiet mornings and just time away from the noise. Those small coverings protect our energy the same way mulch protects the earth. Mm-hmm. When we take time to care for plants, we start to notice something interesting, like plants rarely grow in perfect conditions. There are insects, storms, dry days, and sometimes the soil itself needs help. Yet, with a little care, they continue growing. In many ways, people are the same. Yes, sometimes we look at our own lives and only notice the damage, the places where something has been eating away at our peace or at our energy. But growth does not stop just because something is wrong. Sometimes growth begins when we decide to care for the root again. Sometimes when I'm caring for the roots of a plant like this, I'm reminded that God cares about our roots too. Yes, the things deep inside us that no one else can see. God designed plants to grow slowly, layer by layer, and maybe that's how He works in our lives too, quietly building strength where we can't always see it. As I try to protect this small tree from what may be eating its leaves, it reminds me how God protects us in ways we may not always notice. Just like this tree, we are always growing, and I believe God is the one quietly tending the garden of our lives. Every time I work in the garden, I'm reminded that the same God who designed these plants also understands the seasons of our lives.